In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the default user preferences and the system dashboard in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive in. First, you want to make sure you're logged into your Jira account. Once you're on your Jira dashboard, focus on the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a little settings icon that looks like a gear. This is your gateway to a variety of important configurations. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Now, once you click on the gear icon, a drop-down menu is going to appear. This menu contains different options for settings that you can adjust. From this list, look for the option labeled System. Click on that, and it will take you directly to the System Settings page. Great, you're making progress. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a navigation panel. This panel is essential because it houses a variety of settings and preferences you can adjust, so keep your eyes on that. Now, as you scroll through the left panel, you're looking for something called Default User Preferences. This option might be a bit further down the list, so take your time to find it. Once you spot Default User Preferences, click on it. As soon as you select it, you'll be taken to a page where you can customize your preferences. This is where you can set your default options for how you interact with Jira, whether it's notifications, themes, or even language settings. Adjusting these preferences really helps you tailor the experience to better match your needs. Now, while you're here, don't hesitate to explore the other options available in the left panel as well. The system dashboard can provide you insights and analytics data that could be beneficial for your projects. Familiarizing yourself with this dashboard can help you understand your workflow better and make any necessary adjustments. Additionally, if you find yourself looking for additional features or settings, the search function can be handy too. Jira has a powerful search capability that allows you to quickly find what you're looking for. So if you can't find something, don't hesitate to give that a try. And that's it. You've now successfully accessed the default user preferences and the system dashboard in Jira. Remember, these settings play a crucial role in how you experience the platform. By customizing them, you ensure that Jira works efficiently for you and your team. Before we wrap up, if you're looking for more tips and tricks to get the most out of Jira or any other tools, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. Your support helps me create more informative content that can assist you further. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial makes your Jira experience even better.